Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Gmail app not working or crashing on iPhone iOS 17. To fix this error, you need to open up the App Store first. Then, from the App Store, click on the search bar and search here for Gmail app. Now make sure you have the updated version of the Gmail app. If you haven't updated the app on its latest version, click to do it. After that, open up the Gmail app from here. Then open up the Settings app. Now scroll down in Settings and go into General. Now from General, scroll down and click to shut down your device. After that, get back to General and click on iPhone Storage. Then scroll down in Storage and find the Gmail app. Once you get into its app, click to offload the app from here. Now, go into Software Updates and make sure you have the iOS 17 installed in your iPhone. After that, from General, click on Transfer or Reset the iPhone and choose to reset all settings from here. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.